Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks USA. Empty table, not going to be empty for long. So, back in February at Computex, one of these days I'll get there, hopefully, there was a case that really got my attention. So this is going to be an unboxing. Case has been out, well, the larger channels I've already had access to it, they've built in it, but not so much the smaller ones. I pre-ordered it, took a while, but it finally came here. I got two different colors, but we'll start with the one that came first. Anyway, I've never used this company before. Excited about the case. I actually thought it was one of those, you know, you see something at a convention and you're like, well, this is what we're coming out with, and then this is the future, and it's a prototype, and I didn't know if it was real. Then I obviously researched it was real. So as soon as I saw the pre-orders came up, I pre-ordered it. They also, which I thought was really cool, they, 5 colors, excuse me, ooh, coffee, 5 colors and matching fans for all the colors. We're gonna mismatch that, which I'll show you, because I do have some of them. But anyway, so the company is HYTE, H-Y-T-E. Their Y60s, Y70s are popular. But they came up with a Y50, and it's extremely unique. If you haven't seen it, you're gonna see it now. And let's see it. Yeah, X50. Just came out this year. It comes in black, white, strawberry milk, matcha milk, a purpley kind of color, and one I did not get yet, but I will, cherry red. You hardware enthusiasts out there will understand why I'm excited. I'm gonna put my glasses on for this. I want to get a better look. Here's what's great about this case. From an engineering perspective, that is. Oh, rounded. Everywhere, everywhere. So this is the HYTE X50. The back of the case, they did something, instruction book, they did something very cool. I want to show you. When you get a computer case and you know, they engineer it, normally they cut out some of the metal, and I'm sure some of it gets wasted, maybe they reuse it. But in this case, what they did was louvered all the existing metal instead of cutting and putting stuff in, you know, like filler, you know, brackets and then rivets. So it's all one cost-saving way to do things. I hope more companies do it. I don't know. So a couple things. Power supply is on top. The bottom fans. Okay, so here's the thing, and I'm going to get in front for a minute because I want to show you this. This is quite special. If you're an engineer, if you're someone who understands how these things are made, all rounded, all vented. This thing should be a cooling monster pulling air in. I mean, and it's a strong piece of metal. It's yeah. I mean, I saw that they made a lot of prototypes to get that right. But, man, here's what else I want to show you. The front. You can put fans, you can put a radiator, and your front has 2 screws here and here, and you can then take this out. Maybe we'll cut that part out. There we go. What I want to show you very simply is This is adjustable. So you can literally have a maximum, you know, or a minimum, depending on how close or far you want the radiator or the fans. I'm wondering, hopefully, other companies take note of that. The more flexibility you have in builds, the more, you know, it's more fun to customize when you can, you know, everybody's eyes see differently. I may look at that and go, I'd rather see more color, especially if I'm going to contrast. You know, so whether I want it, you know. But anyway, there's that. Here's the back, okay? See this? All air, all vented, all air. Power supply, there's a strap in here. There it is. The few that I've seen, it doesn't really get used depending on the power supply. I have two different ones. So the IO's on top, obviously power. You got two USB-A's, USB-C, and a headphone jack. Might as well show you right there. And what they did was really cool is they ran the IO through the case. So you really, it's tucked away very nice. You really don't see it. A good amount of tie downs. Apparently these rubber grommets, from what I've read and what I've heard, are per unit the most expensive thing in this case. For those of you who don't know, the case runs, I think about, in America, I think it was 170, 165, 170. For something this unique, I don't know what's in here yet. I didn't look in the box. What's in the box? Again, yes, we get it, stop. These grommets are great, by the way. Show us the front. All right, I'm gonna show you the front. I'm just admiring. I've never opened it, it's my first time. Okay, with the glass, it's got weight. Now, the glass, curved, laminated, and supposed to dampen sound. I know that's up for debate. Glass, handle, well, not handle, insert, up, and out. And look at that. Is it soundproof? Is it soundproof? Ooh, maybe it is. Heavy. Wow, no echo. Interesting. I don't think this is going to be too challenging. By the way, with the power supply, your fan is going to be here, not here, and obviously it's not on the bottom because we have fans on the bottom. So what you're looking at, you could put a radiator here, you could put one here. Again, debating. 3 140s or 120s, 120s, 120s on the bottom. Bottom. I'm leaning towards radiator here, intake, 120 out, obviously 3 coming in on the bottom. There's your IO. Oh, now it's really light. By the way, here's a PSA to all the companies out there, all of you. It's 2025. You're all successful companies. Gigabyte, Lian Li, well, you guys, these guys don't, you know, all your motherboard companies, all you guys. How about you all get together, MSI, all of you. Why don't you guys get together, get in a room, have a nice little lunch, little brunch, and come up with one. So I'm serious. One RGB software. Call up OpenRGB, get Signal involved. One software. Everyone I talk to is like, ugh, what motherboard you get? Oh, I'm using Afterburner. Oh, I'm using GCC. Everybody's got something to say. Not all of it's good. I want to make it easier for especially younger people who don't have time to sit there and they just want to play games and have the computer look cool. I'm telling you, you guys need to get together and really come up with a better way, or honestly, just the fact that, and I've talked to some of the companies, ASRock included in the conversation, where it's like, hey man, this doesn't go with, well, if this graphics card's not gonna, the motherboard's not gonna recognize, it's like, you guys need to talk. I know you're competing against each other, but that's where you don't have to compete, I don't think. At this stage of the game, and with the speed you can create it and integrate it, I'm sure it's not that hard. I'm sure. With AI today and all this stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling, I'm sorry. But that, to me, that's a sore spot. So like right now on my rig in my bedroom, I have a remote for all my RGB, and then I have, I use GCC for the RAM and because I have a Gigabyte GPU. Back to the case. Where were we? Oh, the bottom has a magnetic dust filter. You have to take this out, obviously, to install the fans. 3 120s on the bottom, which we will be doing. So I did buy some fans from them as well. I want to show you one of them. I don't want to give away what we're doing, but obviously you know Christmas is coming. So, these are the cherry red ones. Real quick on the fan. No RGB, just color. The wire is a braided wire, which is nice to see. Has a durability to it. They don't come in reverse, so you're gonna have to go like that. But when you line these all up, the cross brackets are uniform to each other. It looks really cool. I don't think it's that gaudy. But anyway, yeah. So you're gonna be seeing white and red and maybe another color. So, let me show you the front. So yeah, those are the fans. This is the X50. And like I said, maybe more. I'm gonna do some fun stuff with this. If it's your first time here, normally we include an unboxing in the video. I wanted to do this separate because I think this case is special. I think it's one of those, things that you don't get to see every now and then a company comes up with something that I think the company deserves a little extra special time. I'm babbling. Give us something, really just a unique perspective on, something. This is, I mean, the glass is just, I don't know how it goes back. Is that it? I still have to put the front bracket on, but still, I just wanted to, So HYTE X50. We're gonna do some fun stuff with these cases. And kind of like my goal with the other colored cases, I'd like to do a bunch of different colors over time. Please like, subscribe, share. We're trying to build our little community here. We're doing well for the short amount of time we've been doing it. Again, I'm always thankful for all of you to build what we're building here. And sponsors, Harold Girl Law, sorry, Elite Surveillance. I gotta start drinking water before I do these things. Elite Surveillance NJ. Ask for Andrew. Harold Girl Law. Ask for John. Debbie, 10% off in the description. Airgoofor our RGB and all your RGB needs. They're on Amazon. Feel free to look them up. And MrTech, 222 South Ave, Fanwood, New Jersey. Go to that store if you're in the New York area. He has refurbed laptops, iMacs. He can fix your phone. Whatever problem you have, he takes care of, and he takes care of it well. Ask for Eugene. Tell him Sneaks and Geeks sent you. He is a great collaborator in our little project we're doing here. And some of our stuff is in there if you want to go look at it. This is I've waited all year for this. I'm excited. That's why I'm kind of bab all over the place. I'm going to cut a lot of this stuff out, but I don't want to make it too long, but I've been waiting for this one. I have some really cool ideas of what to do. So stay tuned. Christmas is on the way, but in between, I wanted to show you this. We are going to build a very cool Christmas computer with a very cool Christmas theme. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and please like, subscribe, share, and help us build something cool. I don't get too techie on here. There's plenty of techie channels out there. We're here to have fun. I'll give you the info, process it how you want, like it, don't like it, it's fine. Leave comments, have fun. Just have fun. If you have some crazy ideas, if I can pull them off, I will absolutely try to pull them off. And for those behind the scenes, you know who you are. Thank you for helping me, and everybody that's involved. The sneaker one this year for Christmas, NJ Sneaker King. He's got his work cut out for him. Stick around. The build's coming. Sneaks and Geeks USA. See you soon. I don't know why I did that. See you soon. Thanks.